Naniniwala ka pa rin ba sa maling akala sa mutual funds? Let's bust them now. Myth number 1. Lang yan sa mayayaman. The truth, pwede ka nga mag-invest sa mutual fund with as low as 1,000 pesos. Myth number 2. Delikado yan, baka mawala ang pera mo. The truth, mutual funds are diversified, meaning your money is spread across many investments to reduce risk. Myth number 3. Kailangan bantayan araw-araw. The truth, professional fund managers do the work for you. Chill ka lang, kikita ka pa rin. Tama na sa maling paniniwala, sa mga maling akala. Time to invest smart. DM me and I'll guide you tulad ng ginawa sa akin ng mentor ko.